What is iMemories? iMemories is a cloud-based service that allows you to digitize, store, and share your family's memories, such as photos, videos, and slides. The service aims to preserve your precious moments for future generations. How does iMemories work? The process of using iMemories is relatively simple. First, you need to sign up for an account on their website. Once you have an account, you can start sending your physical media to iMemories. The company will digitize your media and store it on its secure servers. After that, you can access your memories from any device with an internet connection. Features and benefits of iMemories. Secure storage. iMemories uses advanced security measures to protect your data. Your memories are stored on secure servers with multiple backups to ensure that your data is never lost. Digitization. With iMemories, you can digitize a variety of physical media, including VHS tapes, slides, and photos. The company uses state-of-the-art equipment to ensure the highest quality digitization. Share and collaborate. iMemories makes it easy to share your memories with family and friends. You can also collaborate with others to create custom videos and photo albums. Convenient access. iMemories allows you to access your memories from any device with an internet connection. You can also download your memories to your computer or mobile device for offline viewing. Customization. iMemories offers a variety of customization options, including the ability to add music, titles, and captions to your videos and photos. How to use iMemories. 1. Sign up for an account on the iMemories website. 2. Send your physical media to iMemories. 3. Once iMemories receive your media, they will digitize it and store it on their secure servers. 4. You can access your memories from any device with an internet connection. 5. Share your memories with family and friends or create custom videos and photo albums. Pros and cons of iMemories. Pros. Easy to use. iMemories is easy to use, and the company handles all of the digitization and storage for you. Secure. iMemories uses advanced security measures to protect your data. Customizable. iMemories offers a variety of customization options, including the ability to add music, titles, and captions to your videos and photos. Convenient. iMemories allows you to access your memories from any device with an internet connection. Cons. Shipping. You need to ship your physical media to iMemories, which can be inconvenient for some users. Internet connection required. To access your memories, you need an internet connection, which can be a problem if you don't have a reliable connection. iMemories price and where to buy. iMemories is available for purchase on the official website of the manufacturer. We provide this device's price and details link in the description. Please check out the description links, which include free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee.